90% of people will never reach their true potential, not because they lack talent, not because they lack opportunity, but because they never figured out one deceptively simple thing. Here is the truth that nobody wants to admit. Most of us are living someone else's version of success. We wake up, chase promotions, earn paychecks, and tick boxes that other people created for us. And then one day we look in the mirror and ask, is this really it? I spent years doing exactly that. Working hard, providing for my family, climbing ladders that led to rooftops I never wanted to stand on. Then I stopped asking, what do others expect from me, and started asking, what am I actually capable of? That single shift unlocked possibilities I never knew existed. And today, I am going to show you how to make that same shift for yourself. Let us start with something that sounds simple, but most people skip entirely. You need to understand what you actually value. Not what your parents value, not what society tells you to value, what genuinely matters to you at your core. Your values are your compass. Without them, you are just wandering through life reacting to whatever comes your way. What beliefs do you hold that you would never compromise? Once you get clear on these, everything else starts falling into place. Now, here is where it gets really interesting. Once you know your values, you need to identify your passions. I do not mean the things you think you should be passionate about. I mean the activities that make time disappear. The things you would do for free because they fill you with energy. When you align your passions with your values, you are no longer just working hard. You are working on things that actually matter to you. You also need to honestly assess your strengths. What are you naturally good at? Maybe you have a gift for connecting with people. Perhaps you can explain complex ideas in simple ways. I was once offered a chance to facilitate a major training program with zero formal experience in public speaking. But I took the risk because I recognized that building relationships was a strength I could leverage. That single decision transformed my career. So ask yourself, what strengths have you been underutilizing? This is the game changer. Understanding the difference between internal and external motivation. External motivations are things like money, promotions, and recognition. These can get you moving in the short term, but they rarely sustain you through difficult periods. Internal motivations come from your values, your curiosity, your genuine desire to grow. When you are internally motivated, obstacles become interesting challenges rather than reasons to quit. Here's a practical way to figure out which type dominates your life. If nobody was watching and you received no recognition, would you still pursue this goal? If the answer is no, you might be chasing someone else's definition of success. Now let us talk about something that stops most people cold. The fear of not knowing if your investment in yourself will pay off. How much will this cost? How much time will I need? Will it even be worth it? These questions paralyze people into doing nothing. But here is a simple framework. Think about the gains you expect from investing in yourself. Then subtract the costs. Multiply by the duration of the benefit. Personal development almost always delivers a massive return because the benefits compound over years while the costs are typically upfront and temporary. The biggest returns often come from non-financial improvements, getting better at handling conflict, building confidence in communication. These soft skills multiply your effectiveness in ways that are impossible to ignore. Here is the part most people miss entirely. Failure is not the opposite of progress. It is actually the engine of progress. I remember standing on stage in front of 200 managers, my heart racing, and completely bombing my presentation. It was humiliating. But that failure taught me something invaluable. Having a title and having skills are two different things. That experience forced me to develop my communication abilities. Today, public speaking is one of my greatest strengths. The weakness became a superpower, but only because I let the failure teach me instead of defeat me. When you fail, you build resilience. You discover opportunities you never would have considered if everything had gone smoothly. Every successful person you admire has a collection of failures they learned from. Now, here is something that will sabotage your progress if you let it: self-doubt. That voice in your head that says, "Who are you to pursue this?" Self-doubt is like swimming against the current. You expend enormous energy and go nowhere. The key to overcoming it is surprisingly simple. Trust yourself. You have more knowledge, experience, and capability than you give yourself credit for. When doubt creeps in, bring yourself back to the present moment. Make a list of what is currently working. Write down the specific actions you have taken that produced positive results. These concrete examples silence the doubt because they prove you are capable. And surround yourself with people who believe in you. Find mentors and friends who support your growth and offer honest feedback. No one achieves great things in isolation. Here's what I want you to take away from everything we have discussed today. Your development is not a destination. It is a lifelong journey. Your values will clarify over time. Your passions will evolve. Your strengths will deepen and new ones will emerge. But none of that happens unless you start. Unless you take that first step. Unless you decide that investing in yourself is not optional, but essential. So here is your challenge. This week, identify one value that matters deeply to you. Find one passion that energizes you. Recognize one strength you have been underutilizing. And take one small action that moves you toward your potential, one step at a time. Because the person you could become is waiting for the person you are today to finally show up.